Hello. Um, Today, I will be doing some mathematics, which all of you guys should know. I have done a lot, chill a minute. Wait, don't mind it. I have
I'm gonna die.
biology, factors, long form divisions, and this, and yeah, these two, yeah, just these four. Yeah, just these four. So I will be on to my third one. You guys might need to take
Introducing Grammarly, like you've never seen before. Your all-in-one writing essential. Say hello to Humanizer, a tool that ensures that when you do use AI, it never sounds
solving and validating.
My bad.
Look, ChatGPT is great for quick answers, but when you need writing expertise, Grammarly is my go-to tool.
Can leave room for interpretation. In math, you're expected to find one exact solution. So, are you trying to study math but it feels hard to understand? That's because you were taught to memorize formulas, follow standardized procedures, and focus on getting the right answer without really understanding why math works the way it does. And that's why, no matter how much effort you put in, math still feels confusing. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a genius to do well in math. You just need to learn it the right way. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 key steps that will actually
Please don't mind them. They're really annoying.
make you better at math, whether you're starting from scratch or aiming to get high grades on your exams. Step number 1, really understand the basics. If we had to make a tier list of the most difficult subjects, math would definitely rank near the top. But why is math so difficult? Well, there are 2 main reasons. The first is that math requires a very precise way of thinking. Unlike many other school subjects where questions can leave room for interpretation, in math, you're expected to find one exact solution. The second reason is that math is cumulative. Every new concept builds on what you've already learned. In history, if you forget a few facts about Abraham Lincoln, you can still understand the Civil War. But in math, if you haven't fully mastered the fundamentals, you might get stuck, even years later. That's why really understanding the basics is crucial. If you don't understand a topic, use multiple resources like textbooks, YouTube videos, or free courses on Khan Academy. Different explanations can help clarify concepts that are hard to get the first time around. Step number 2, change the way you approach math. There are basically 2 ways to approach math. The first one is what I call rule-based approach. It's the classic school approach. Like, you see a right triangle, so you use the Pythagorean theorem. This approach works as long as the problems look exactly like the ones you've already practiced. But when you're faced with a more abstract or unfamiliar problem, you don't know where to start, because it's not enough to just remember a formula. You have to actually understand what you're doing. And this is where the shift happens. You start to see math not just as a set of rules to follow, but as a coherent system of ideas that are all connected. To use this approach, you don't just have to memorize steps mechanically. You have to understand the why behind each rule. Ask yourself, why is this the formula? How do you arrive at this equation? Is there another way to solve this problem? Step number 3, create a study schedule. Studying math can feel overwhelming, but with a little organization, it becomes much more manageable. Start by looking at your typical day and find those moments where you can carve out a bit of time to study. You don't need to spend hours. Even one focused hour a day can lead to great results. Science has shown that intensive studying is an inefficient study method because the brain can only retain a limited amount of information in a short time. When you try to learn everything in one...
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get a rib note.
Everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick dopamine-based morning routine that not...
Sorry, this is already in one of my videos. Don't mind this too. Flashcards. We will be doing this. Practice 3 minutes. 9, 3, 9, 9, 18, 19, 37. Remembered 8, 7, 56, 42. What a good way to learn biology. Use recalls. Oh my bad. 8, 7, 56. Molecule. Oh wait, no. A standard morning routine. A nucleic acid. Where are my notes? Where's my notes? Here it is. Where are my notes? Actually, where are my notes? No, where are my notes? Okay, a nucleic acid is the rulebook for storing genetic information that later can make DNA. It doesn't have to be like this, but it's also the same. What are prokaryotes? Prokaryotes are single-cell organisms that lack nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, such as bacteria and archaea, whatever that is. They give energy. Lipids, lipids store energy and can make it last for a long period of time. And not only that, but it can make membranes that serve as signaling molecule, and it could also protect your tissues. Yes. The target. Yes. Keep practicing. And 432. Oh, wait. 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals 36, or 4 plus 36. My bad. I did 32 on accident, but it's 36. I don't know. What does protein do to life? Okay. Proteins can carry tissues that can hold and make muscles. 36. I keep on saying 9, 4, 32. 36. Yeah. Create more flashcards. What are these? What are those? Oh yeah, I did this one in one of my videos, but then I later just like completely go onto the flashcards without even finishing this. So create documents. So what do you guys think we should be doing? Should we do trigonometry? Right? Should we do that? I don't know. Folder. What does folder even do? I don't even get this. Oh wait, we don't. Erase. Jimmy Bell. I just learned that from Sophie. So to that guy. Jimmy Bell. Oh shoot. Wait a minute. Oh, forget about that. But get out. Wait. You are over there. You are safe for now. I will be back for you, Jimmy-san. That's content. Get out! I'm gonna go back up. Okay. Wait, what the hell, boy? Okay, so. What the hell is this? What the hell is this?
Oh.
My bad, bro. Don't hate me for this. Shh. Sorry, the backgrounds are just my sisters and stuff. Trigonometry. So trigonometry is this. Is basically this, which, let's say this is like 30 degrees. Let's say that is like 50. I don't know, anything works. So this is the hypotenuse. So, and this, the hypotenuse is tangent. You don't write the tangent at the end, you actually just write that. For this one is opposite of hypotenuse. Let's just call it op. This one is adjacent side. So these two, this one is sine. This one is my bad. Adjacent is cosine. So sine is equal to over is up. Let's call opposite side oppo right now. Opposite of hypotenuse. Let's just call that. And cosine is up. Wait, no. Adjacent of hypotenuse. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no. Bro. Same cosine is, oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no. Is adjacent of sorry, I'm the worst teacher. Of hypot and tangent is equal to the opposite of adjacent. So all of this are the basic facts. You can also do like this: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You also have to calculate this. 90 degrees. This thingy is always a part of the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is that thingy, you know what I mean? Hypotenuse is tangent. Tangent is the opposite. Bro, I cannot even talk. It's the opposite of adjacent. And remember that opposite side is the opposite of tangent of the hypotenuse. So it's basically this. It's basically hand-to-hand fighting combat, but not really like these dudes fighting. Black Flash. Don't mind my worst drawing of all time. What? Okay, let me just scribble. Yes. There goes. My God, bro. This guy has some
There
hair.
goes nothing.
Bro's Goku. My bad, bro. But you ugly. Erase from existence. How do I make this thing small? Why do I have so tiny space? Like this, but yes. Make sure you always have to remember that tangent controls opposite side out of the adjacent side. This is one of the most common ones. Cosine is the adjacent side adjacent of the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse and the opposite side is obviously opposite of the hypotenuse. These are both also not really common, but no matter how big the triangle is, unless it has the same angle, it will still equal the same exact number. It was this 30 degrees or 40? My bad. Is always, if it's exactly 30 degrees, then it's cool. My bad. And if this is like, oh my God, bro. What did I do, bro? What did I do? Mamma mia. Skillfonish. What the heck? What the hell is stinky? Hi, Ma. How are you? I'm recording. Yeah, so if it's big and if it has the same angle, was this 40? Yeah, it still equals the same. It always equals the same. Nothing changes unless it's the same unless you change the angles to, if you turn it to like this, and this is like, let's say 30 degrees, and this is like 40, then you really do need to calculate a lot more. This will equals on different sides, and it's kind of like wonky. So A-O-H.
Okay, only one time.
This is also like Ga Doa.
You really don't care.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah, Sogatoa. Is stinky math. Wait, let me erase that. erase that. Let me erase that. Get out. Get out, boy. Don't mind my bad handwriting. I don't even know if I have any space. Actually, no, let me redo that.
That's not his real handwriting.
No, but that's how my handwriting is.
No. What?
Me.
What the heck?
Wait, you like this? Nah. It's
Oh,
like that.
no. Where's the heck I...
Okay. So, yeah. Y'all can copy this down if you want.
Okay, you're not eating, right? Thank you.
You can pause the video if you want to, but yeah. Note this down. They're really wonky because I didn't know you can zoom out. So yeah. Slow the video down if you want. Yep, that's it for today. If you like this video, which you guys will never, ever. Well, until next time. Peace out. Yeah, bye-bye. Go away. Go away. Hold on, bye-bye.